The curve. It looked like you could ride your bike or something.
Yeah, this do look like a good hiking.
Wildlife habitat. Keep out.
Yeah. Going over there. Look at these dogs on spiders. I don't know why you be wearing them type of things.
Because these don't be working. Got this. If we had our bike, we could have rode our bike. It's a good little trail for a bike.
We're going to get all of our stuff out of Charlotte this year. Everything.
I am so sore. Oh my gosh.
Come on, girl.
Whew. I'm going to be a little slow today, guys. Because I am actually real sore.
Oh my God, the more you say, the more slow you're going to be. Move them legs, girl.
Yeah. Which way shall we go?
Shoot, it say that way.
It do?
Yeah.
What if we... Nah, let's go straight.
No, see,
Meet me at the crossroads.
Yeah, nah. You bugging. I bet I ain't going to be there.
Okay, let's see what this show's all about.
This is sweet.
Let's go gambling. Oh, dang it. Oh, dang it. This is a little like... Stop. What the heck? I thought that was a person.
That's weird.
I know. But in a positive, safe side, I'm happy that the car did not go off. That's random, and it got a whole little bar. What? You got stuff on you?
Yeah, you don't feel it?
No, because you're doing it for me. Oh, now I just felt one on my ear. I'm following you, so you can get it first.
Yeah, you giggle, Mom.
Okay, guys, so we are headed in this trail. I'm so sore because I just started high school and we have to go to the gym and change our clothes and stuff. And I'm so sore right now. But we are heading down a little pathway. Oh, look at the clouds. It's so pretty.
It's a pretty day for a hike.
Yeah. This is part 1, guys. It's a special thing coming up for you guys.
There's something special coming up?
Yeah, for them to see.
What?
Because we can't say it. We'll say it on camera.
Okay.
This looks kind of... You should tell them the story that you just telling me.
I don't want to.
Why? It'll give you chills sometimes?
No, just I don't feel like it. I already told it. No, I want to tell it again. What?
Too much fireworks. Oh my gosh.
You heard that?
Stop. Oh my gosh. Nah. Now I feel like something gonna call.
Angel.
No,
Yeah. Let go of my bag.
no.
Girl, shoot. This is a nice.
Look! Look! That's some big spiders here.
Yo, Angel. Yeah, come on, yo, you bugging. Come on. Bugging.
I did not play with spider webs.
They don't play with you either. Come on, girl.
I'm okay.
Yeah, you better speak positive. Come on, we in it together now.
You'll be there.
We're in a nature trail. That's what Nature Sundays is about. We in a new one. R-E-E-P. Reap. You reap what you sow. Yo, we look like we going to grandma's house.
Grandma house first.
Yo, like Little Red Riding Hood. Shit. Ooh, I felt a good one right there. Oh my God, they're just all over.
I feel it. We're done. I can't do this one. Oh, heck no. Stop.
Girl, come on. You got it. Come on, you got it, girl. Come on.
I just felt
Oh my goodness.
Oh, gosh.
Girl.
Keep me safe.
I am. We right here together.
Help me.
I can't help you with that.
Man.
Only thing you can help you.
Oh, I'm done with this one.
Let go of my bag for real now.
Mommy, for real.
Hey, you got it. That's what I got.
We're almost there. We're almost done already.
Girl, we gotta get back to the car. We just started. Ain't no way.
It is.
This is our exercise. This is how we start our day.
Heck no.
Come
But
on.
not with no spider webs. OMG.
Oh, I just felt another one. Woo! Wow.
Let's go swimming.
Oh no, man. Wow, this is different. The earth is like really eroding back here a lot. You always be thinking that 911 type shit. That ain't funny. Sometimes we see this, well, yeah, we see this quite a bit, quite often on the trails where the earth is just eroding. It's kind of sad when you think about it.
Wait, how's that? Hey guys, so right now we are using a stick to swing because it's a lot of spider web. Oh, sorry. Sorry.
Yo, whatever. Alakazam, Alakazoo.
Bibbidi bop.
Bibbidi boo.
Dang, we already there? Yes, we're free. We're human, but we're free.
Bibbidi boppity boo.
Oh, look, Mom, run there. Look, y'all, we made it all the way to the baseball field. Now we gotta walk all the way back. Hey guys, so we're going to this.
Oh, what does the poster sign say?
Is it posted? Posted something.
There you go again.
Again already?
Oh, private property. That's private property. Hunting, fishing, trapping, or trespassing for any purpose is strictly forbidden. Violators will be prosecuted. So you can't go that way. This is where we go. Okay, behind the trees. Now this is a pretty path though, really.
Yeah, because of trees.
Mm-hmm. That little incline gave us a little bit.
Yes, I feel it too.
Mm-hmm.
I gotta get used to it.
Heck no, yeah.
Wait, on it?
Yes, you don't.
No, because you taking it for me.
Yeah, that sounds nasty. I'm taking it for you.
Hey, no,
What?
not in
Bibbidi boppity boo. Spider webs go through. Bibbidi boppity.
And nothing back there. And I was like, Mommy, can I drive? And you was like, nah, because I don't trust you yet. So that means that you starting to trust me more.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, ready to go. You think you got it?
Yeah. What are you trying to say? I don't?
No, you do got it.
Oh, okay.
I didn't think that you could go through that small little hole.
Oh, you trying to be funny?
No. Hey, guys, look. I'm going up.
Oh, shit.
You got it.
I know.
Good if I fail.
Angel,
Huh?
stop. You know mommy don't like heights, girl.
Oh, you.
I gotta get my swing going.
Good job, Mommy. Just don't swing too high so you won't get nauseous or something.
Oh my God, let me be me
I'm sorry,
today.
because you said every time you...
Oh!
Sorry.
Lord.
I'm trying to make sure you're...
Oh, okay, I'm okay.
That's all I need to know. You ready? Oh, that's so pretty. He's right here. Okay, back up. Go now. Move.
Is that accurate?
I don't think so. Okay, do me.
Okay. All right. What?
Cow.
Under 5 feet? Yeah, no, I don't think
I
that's
don't think
accurate.
Okay, wait, but I have to do a cool trick with you, okay? So, first you need to... Hey, guys, we have finished our TikTok, and my mom did a great job. Like, I taught her and she did it like real fast. I mean fast. Y'all, I'm so happy. I got sweat going because I already got to be training because this PT day is coming and it's going to be hot outside. So got to pack a lot of water and stuff so I won't get dehydrated.
Yes.
And an energy drink.
Nah, you don't need no energy drink.
No?
Nah, you just put some, a little bit of salt
Mm-hmm.
and a little bit of lime juice. I'll make you all natural electrolytes. I'll put one in a water bottle for you. That's your electrolytes and then your regular water. And you'll stay hydrated.
Whew.
You don't need that.
So
what we wait in this park? You don't have a stop sign, sweetie. Keep going.
Oh.
And where that we just came from. See, follow the arrow.
It's easy, y'all.
Go ahead and go up.
Go out.
Mm-hmm.
Turn on my signal.
If that makes you feel comfortable, but you're not really turning. Yeah. Veer into the right. Oh, that was you don't have a stop sign, baby. That means you keep going.